Up, everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. We are doing roasted veggies. Yes, roasted veggies. You can roast any veggies that you like, any veggies of your choice. What we have here today: broccoli, sweet potatoes, carrots, and some green peppers. And we have a good cookie sheet. You need a pan like this. Do not use a glass dish, just because the glass make your vegetables roast differently. So you want to use a tin dish, something about 2 inches thick up on the side. Use this right here, you guys. So the most important thing about when you roast the veggies, make sure you separate them. You don't want to be all clumped up together, because you want them to roast.
You got them together, though.
I'm ready to separate it, boy. I rinsed them off and cleaned them. So I'm going to have my broccoli on one side, spread it. Maybe I should use a bigger dish. I'm not sure.
No, it should be good, though.
Yeah. Have my green peppers right here. I just wanted some green peppers in here. Let's place them to the side. You can use any type of vegetable, some zucchini, some squash, cauliflower, anything you like. I'm going in with my sweet potatoes.
Carrots.
Sweet potatoes is a root. It's a root veggie. You want to cut it thin in little squares like this. You don't want to cut it thick. The more dense the veggie is, the more smaller you have to cut it, so that you get it evenly cooked.
I really thought he was carrots right here. I don't know why.
I got carrots in here.
Oh, that's why. Okay.
Here, the real dark ones.
Yeah.
These are the carrots.
Yeah.
So let me just separate them real quick. And I'm just going to use some salt and pepper, some olive oil, and you have to put your oven between 450 and 500. Remember, you're roasting, not baking. So you don't want 300, you don't want 350. You want a 450 to 500 for about 20 to 25 minutes. Not even that long. You know, check them once they fork tender on the outside and nice in the inside. You know they're done. You'll see the caramelization of them and everything. I'm not even gonna do all these because
that should be enough right there, man.
I waste not, want not. My sweet potatoes, my carrots, maybe a little bit. I was trying to separate the sweet potatoes and carrots, but okay, whatever.
Ooh, like a party platter.
Take some olive oil. This is what you're going to get in with your hands, guys. And your roasted veggies can go with anything. Any side dish you like, some baked chicken, grilled chicken, a little bit of salt, and some pepper. And that's all, guys. This is up to you. And just do like this. With your hands. Place this in the oven. My oven is at 450, preheated. This will go in the oven at 450, guys. And we'll be right back.
It's like a sandwich.
Okay, guys, we're back. Right here, Brandon. 25 minutes on my timer. This is what roasted veggies are supposed to look like. They're not baked. Remember, 450 or 500, depending on your oven. Whatever vegetable you decide to roast, that's what you do. And if you want to, I dropped my spatula. Okay, we're gonna do. If you want to like put a little heat to it, you can use like some cayenne pepper, some cayenne powder, red pepper flakes, anything to spice it up, you know, season it to your taste. But a good 20 to 25 minutes, 450 to 500. Again, depends on your oven. Remember, if you have a root vegetable that's really hard, try to cut it as small as possible so that everything can cook evenly. Don't pile your vegetables on top of each other. Lay them in separately. And guys, you'll get great roasted vegetable. Give me that spoon right there.
You want this one? This one?
Yeah. You'll get great roasted vegetables the way we did. They look amazing. And you know, just put them in. Yes, Andrew said, Mom said smell. I said, I'm roasting veggies. And this is the way your your broccoli's supposed to.
I want to eat some of this stuff too. You say me something?
Yeah, because Andre making another video, guys. Grilled chicken sandwich. How we on a Saturday eat grilled chicken in here. Like my kids like it. So guys, look. I'll move this to the side. Ooh, nice and tender. So let me let you guys see with the fork. See, look. Look at that.
I eat that.
So, look at the sweet potato. That sweet potato right there. Ooh, I don't want to mess it up. So, guys, my roast veggies, 20 to 25 minutes, 450 degrees. Until my next video, guys, remember, hit that bell to be notified so that you get new videos each time I decide to put one up. It's like, I'm telling you, I've been through it this week. Anytime a video come available. So, guys, until next time, I love you, Soul Squad. I am out. Eat healthy. They came out so good, guys. And you can let these sit on a cookie, what's the thing it's called? A bacon wrap. I just let them cool right here. And guys, I actually did 12 minutes. It's on 3